In this video, we will learn how to change banner on YouTube on Android. So let's begin.
So to change your banner on YouTube on Android, for that just go and open your YouTube app on Android. Once you're here, just go and tap on your profile icon at the right top corner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down below and at the end, just go and tap on help and feedback. Once you tap on it, tap on describe your issue and here type in for manage. So there would be a suggestion with the name of manage your channel icon. Tap on it. Once you are here under the manage your channel icon, tap on Google account settings. We will be changing the banner of YouTube on Android. It would open your default browser and you will be redirected to your account. You may be asked to log into your account if you are not logged in on your browser. Once you are here, just go and tap on this default banner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to choose any picture for the banner. Just go and choose any picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one. It would ask you to readjust this picture accordingly. So it would be cropping this picture to make it optimal for the banner. So once you have pressed done, it would change your banner on YouTube. So hope it helps, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.